This video is to teach you how to upload your videos to YouTube so that you can then add them to your website on your My TED Talks and Reflection page. If you click on the waffle over here, scroll for your options. YouTube is one of them. Click on the little video camera up at the top and then upload video. And then you can either find your file by selecting or dragging and dropping it. I want to drag and drop because it's easiest for me. I'm going to airdrop my video to myself. And save it. I run a Mac, so I can only show you how to do this on a Mac. If you run something differently, I'm sure it's probably a similar process. You can try Googling, or if you can bring your device in, bring it in, and I can help you troubleshoot and try and figure it out. We'll give this a second to download. If you know better than me how to do this, please feel like you can do it on your own. You don't have to follow my instructions. This is just the way that I've learned how to do it for this project. So again, if you know better than I do, by all means, do it that way. I know that Jimdo can also support Vimeo, so if you know how to use Vimeo and would prefer to use that, you're welcome to do that as well. You should probably go ahead and have your video downloaded before, but I did not do that, so we get to wait. Okay, so now I can pull the media onto the uploader. Okay, so you can title your video. I'm going to call mine Mid-Year Project Presentation. You can describe your video if you want to. You can choose a bunch of different options. I know that this is a new thing that you have to choose who your audience is for. It says, is this video made for kids? I read through this, and in general, no, our videos are not made for kids. So just so you know, you can read through that information before you upload. But by kids, it is an age range before your age. So it goes to 13, and you guys are older than 13. So we'll consider these made for our audience, which would be 15 years old and older. So it's processing my video over here. It takes a second. It depends on how long your video is and different things like that, I'm sure. So we'll give it a second to process the video. It does already have the link of what my video is going to be named. All right, now that it's done processing, I'll click next. I'm going to be honest, I don't really know what these things are, and so I always just click through. And then with your publishing, you have some different options. So it's your video, it's between you and your parent or guardian, how you want to post this video. Unlisted is a great idea because then only people who have the link to this video already can view it, meaning you put it on your website so I can view your video on your website because I have access to the link. But then other people couldn't necessarily search your link and find it. So it's up to you. If you and your parents are comfortable with making it public and you're fine with that, that's fine. Otherwise, you can make it unlisted, and then only those who have the link can view your website, your video that you've just created. So I've published it. It gives me a video link here. I'll copy that. And then I'm just going to add it on my TED Talks and Reflection page. So my mid-year presentation, insert the link there. I always center my videos because I like it that way, but it's totally up to you. And then we will do the same thing for the midway progress reflection. You just repeat the same steps over again. Hope this was helpful.